ABC Kinderteach presents 100 Bugs, a counting book, written by Kate Narita, illustrated by Suzanne Kaufman. Explorers, explorers, rising with the sun. Hat on the creaky door, pack on the shiny floor. It's time for some bug counting fun. Hat, pack. Walking sticks, hiding all about. 1 by the old hose, there's 1. 9 by the gold rose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many bugs hiding about? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walking sticks. Giant walking stick. Walking sticks are wingless wonders that avoid enemies by posing as twigs. If a bird grabs a walking stick's leg, the leg breaks off from the insect's body. Young walking sticks can regrow missing legs, but adults can't. A gold rose, or a Julia Child rose. One day after lunch, Julia Child visited Weeks Roses, a rose-growing company in California. She chose this rose to be named after her because the yellow color reminded her of the butter she used in her cooking, and because she liked its licorice scent. Dragonflies, zipping all about. 2 by the weather vane. 1, 2. 8 by the bug bane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bugs zipping about? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The wandering glider. These dragonflies really know how to get around. They've been spotted hundreds of miles out to sea and 20,000 feet above sea level in the mountains of the Himalayas. Wow. Bugbane, which is right there. Bugbane blooms look like tall white candles, so some people call them fairy candles. Fairies have yet to be seen on the flowers, but scientists agree that butterflies flock to their flames. Leafhoppers, hopping all about. 3 by the Pharaoh. 1, 2, 3. 7 by the yarrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many bugs hopping about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Candy-striped leafhopper. Even though there are more than 20,000 species of leafhoppers worldwide, this true bug marches to the beat of a different drummer. They run sideways. The females are larger than the males, and they shoot their waist far away from themselves to keep predators off their trails. A common yarrow. Talk about an old fossil. Scientists have found 60,000-year-old fossilized yarrow pollen in caves. They disagree about whether Neanderthals or bees transported it there. Ladybugs zooming all about. 4 by the rafters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 by the asters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bugs zooming about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Convergent lady beetle. 3, 2, 1, blast off. In 1999, 4 lady beetles, also known as ladybugs, flew on NASA's Columbia space shuttle so that scientists could see if they could eat aphids in space. Just like they do on Earth, they can. Lady beetles were supposed to return to space in 2015 as part of an experiment to see how microgravity affects their life cycle, but the rocket blew up. New England aster. An aster is a rest stop for bugs. The flower's petals provide flat landing spots, and its yellow center is like a food court for bees, beetles, and butterflies. Bumblebees, bumblebees buzzing all about. 5 by the horse feed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by the sneeze weed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bugs buzzing about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tricolored bumblebee. What's all the buzz about? Bumblebees buzz when flying to new places and to shake pollen off of flowers. They also buzz back at the nest. When they fan the air with their wings, it cools off the nest and lets the workers know there's a flower feast nearby. Common sneezeweed. Don't let the name fool you. This plant won't make you sneeze. So why do deer avoid it? They steer clear of its toxic or poisonous and bitter leaves. How many bugs out and about? 50 bugs hanging out. 10 and 10 and 10 and 10 and 10. Butterflies, butterflies, flitting all about. 6 by the rain boot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 by the snake root. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bugs flitting about? Yes, there's 10. Can you find 10 again? Eastern tiger swallowtail. Trick or treat, these butterflies wear disguises to avoid predators, things that try to hunt them. A young caterpillar looks like bird poop. The large eye spots on an older caterpillar make enemies think it's a big snake. An adult female's coloring mimics the poisonous pipevine swallowtail butterfly. White snake root. When cows continually eat small amounts of white snake root, they produce milk that can sicken or even kill calves and humans. Nancy Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln's mother, died from milk sickness. Luckily, cows aren't allowed to graze near snake root today. Damselflies, damselflies, darting all about. 7 by the wishing well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 by the coral bells. 1, 2, 3. How many bugs darting about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eastern forktail. Damselflies are a lot like dragonflies. They sure do look alike, but they rest with their wings folded above their backs. Dragonflies can eat prey in mid-flight, but a damselfly dines while perched on a plant. Coral bells. Producing seeds is not as easy as 1, 2, 3. In order for a coral bells plant to create a seed, it needs another coral bells nearby. If there are no neighboring plants, there are no seeds. Spittlebugs, jumping all about. 8 by the chicken cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 by the woodland sage. 1, 2. How many bugs jumping about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2-lined spittlebug. A spittlebug squirts milky white goo out of its abdomen, like a stomach, and whips it into a bubbly froth. The foamy covering hides the little insect from hungry birds and protects it from the hot sun. Woodland sage. Woodland sage plants attract bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and people too. That's why this European plant grows in every state, including Hawaii and Alaska. Katydids, singing all about. 9 by the woodbox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 by the white phlox, right there. How many bugs singing about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rattler, round-winged katydid. Imagine if your ears were on your knees. A katydid's tiny ears are on its legs, but they work just like ours by capturing sound, amplifying it, and transferring the information to the brain. Garden phlox. White-tailed deer and eastern cottontail rabbits love to feast on phlox. To stop them, gardeners can sprinkle fox urine around their yard. Lightning bugs, flying all about. 10 by the happy boy, 0 by the autumn joy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many bugs are flying about? 10. Pennsylvania firefly. Lightning bugs have their own secret code. To attract mates, a male gives off a short green dot of light followed by a longer dash. A female flashes to attract mates, and for another reason, she also uses her light to attract males of other species. Then she eats them. Autumn joy. Some people trim autumn joy blooms when they wither and dry out, but wildlife lovers don't touch the faded flowers. They know birds will feast on the seeds all winter long. 10 bugs hanging out. 10 from before plus 10 more. 10 plus 10. 20 bugs hanging out. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 from before plus 10 more. 30 bugs hanging out. 20 plus 10 equals 30. 30 from before plus 10 more. 40 bugs hanging out. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 40 from before plus 10 more. 50 bugs hanging out. 40 plus 10 equals 50. 50 from before plus 10 more. 60 bugs hanging out. 50 plus 10 equals 60. 60 from before plus 10 more. 70 bugs hanging out. 60 plus 10 equals 70. 70 from before plus 10 more. 80 bugs hanging out. 70 plus 10 equals 80. 80 from before plus 10 more. 90 bugs hanging out. 80 plus 10 equals 90. 90 from before plus 10 more. 100 bugs out and about. 90 plus 10 equals 100. Or we could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Hip hip hooray, it's 100 bug count day.